What's up, traders? What a crazy day. 3:30 Eastern Time, CPI news. Jesus Christ, 160 points. Like there is no tomorrow. Guys, don't be in position when major news comes out, because not only that you have no clue where it's going to go. If you are long here, you are in a deep You know why? Because there is no way you get out here with a 3-point loss. It's not going to happen. And if you are long here and news comes out, you might lose like, I don't know, 30, 40 points, because look at this. In one candle, which took like 3 seconds, it fall from 630 all the way to 570. You can lose your pants here, guys. Just be flat when major news comes out. Just be flat. Don't try to challenge it. It's crazy. Okay, so that's how I saw it. So we had this crazy, it's not even a sell-off, it's just panic. Okay, so it's a spike and a channel, and this channel just got broken here and a new low. So we have a channel break, okay, channel, down channel, break, new low. It's safe to look for longs. Okay, we are ranging here. Okay, I don't take this trade. This is just like trying to pick the bottoms. I don't do that anymore. I used to be a bottom picker for 2 years. I lost my pants and I'm not in this game anymore. I'm trading only with the trend. And trust me, guys, if you do that, you're gonna make money. Just don't try to counter trade. Yes, according to the rules, it's a channel break, new low, it's safe. But considering this crazy sell-off, who knows what's going to happen now. And then we started to trend up. Okay, so we have a channel break. Let me show you how I saw that. All I had was this. Okay, channel break, clear 2 legs, and I'm expecting a new high. No setup here for me. We are below the moving average. I only take trades on the wrong side of the EMA if it's a range. Okay, so these are 2 clear legs, but it's not a setup for me. So channel break, expecting a new high, and then somewhere at this point I said to myself, okay, this is also a spike. It's a spike and then a new channel. And if you will try to draw your channel with the spike, you will get something weird. You can't be doing that. So if you see something like this, this is a spike and a channel. Spike and a channel. You don't know that in real time. All you have is this. But once you start to see the market trending like this, then you can consider this to be just a spike and a channel. When this channel gets broken, I'm expecting a new high. Okay, so that's what I had. I had a channel break. I'm expecting a new high, but before we get a close outside and a new low, I'm not even thinking about going long. Okay, remember, when prices are trending in the channel, you need prices to break, close outside, and make a new low. Okay, and use the measure move. Measure move in ES works like magic. Don't ask me why. Somehow ES traders really respect the measure move. So look what we have here. We have channel, break, close outside, new low. Okay? And then you can use the measure move. 1 leg, 2 legs. Check out this one. To the tick. To the tick. So not only that you have a channel, break of this channel, new low, exact measure move, okay? And you have all the reasons in the world to look for a trade long, looking for a new high. Okay. Now I entered here as a higher low. Usually I don't really take higher lows when they are below the moving average. But because it was an exact measure move and the trend was so strong, okay, one leg, two leg, this channel gets broken and a new low, okay, and this is a higher low, which usually I will not take against the moving average, but I went long here just because it was so beautiful. And I took 10 points. So how do I make my decision whether to go for 1 to 2 or 1 to 1? I usually don't really go to 1 to 1. It's not enough for me. I go to 1 to 2 and sometimes even 1 to 3. Anyway, when you have such an uptrend, channel, 2 legs to new low, okay, you're expecting the market to make a new high. So for me, if I'm here, okay, I'm here with this trend, I'm waiting for the market at least to go here. Okay, in this case I took only 10 points here, but usually my target would be here, the peak to my left. Okay, so rearranging here, and I wanted to look at this setup. Okay, first entry, second entry, beautiful second entry, and it's a breakout pullback. Now you might say, yeah, but this might not be 1 to 2. Yes, I know, but considering the really strong trend, I think it's a valid trade. I didn't take it, by the way, but it's a good trade. Let's continue. Okay. This one is a beautiful trade, and it's kind of a tricky setup, but I want you to pay attention here. Look at this. This is a first entry, okay? And this is a second entry. But here it's a trap, okay? Again, first entry, second entry, and the low of this bar gets broken, so it's a trap. However, on an uptrend, so it's a first entry, second entry, the long traders are trapped here because the low of this bar gets broken. The short trader who went short on the break of this bar are trapped here. So this is a double trap. So everybody who went long here got stopped out here. All the shorts get stopped out here. And this usually leads to a very strong momentum. So again, first entry, second entry, failure, and immediately trap the shorts. And a very strong moment. Let's continue. So I didn't have this channel like this by then. I had it like this. Firstly, I had it like that, okay? Which is a valid one. But then I saw this high, and then I saw the market making something like that. I said, okay, maybe there is some bigger pattern here. Maybe it's like that. But once you see the market overshooting like that, there must be a bigger pattern here, okay? This is a massive overshoot, so there must be a bigger pattern here, okay? So you can draw the tiny channel, it's okay. But in this case, I saw something like this. And if you add your middle line, which by the way I don't do just because it's cluttering my chart, but you have to do that. It will help you to get some orientation. And in this case, I think this was the channel. You have these two peaks here, low, higher low, higher low. We are here now. I want to show you another trade, which I didn't take. I was not in front of this computer. Okay, check out this one. So we are in a huge channel. We have this measure move. Oops. Okay, we missed it, but we have this range. So what do we have here? We have a huge channel going up, and we have this channel going down with a break, attempting to make a new low, not even succeeding to make a new low, and immediately first entry, second entry long. Again, huge uptrend, almost measure move, downtrend, break, almost a new low with a very bullish bar, and then first entry, second entry, and by then you already have the range. Now you might think, okay, let's see if I can get some measure move here. But because the market is so strong today, you didn't even have a chance to get this measure move. There were so many buyers, but you have this range. This is a range already. So it's a downtrend, break, new low, first entry, second entry, boom. And again, channel going up. In this case, when you have two peaks like this, you can draw the channel like that. Okay? Don't try to draw it like this. I'm not saying it's wrong, but you have these two peaks. So this might not be the valley channel. Okay, so we are here now. Crazy day. Super crazy day. Another second entry. Not a perfect signal bar, but another second entry. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Amazing day. Huh. This was 8:30. Wow. Almost 200 points. Unreal. The reason I love ranges is because it just gives the best risk reward ratio. So I'm always on the hunt for ranges. Now, this is another beautiful example. If you took this long, remember the last one I showed you? You're expecting at least to meet this high. Why in the world would you want to risk 3 points to make 3 points here? You have like from here to the peak. See, you have 20. You have like 20 points more. Why would you want to take this trade from here to here? The market is an uptrend. The last peak is here. Okay, there is also another peak here. The market is going to test this peak. Now, the thing is that to stay in this trade, you must be able to bear the pullbacks, and there will be pullbacks. This is a pullback, but it's not a reversal. So if you are long here, let it run at least to this peak, to your left. And that's the last beautiful range setup for the day. We are still in this uptrend. This channel is still valid. We have a break, of course expecting a new high, and immediately starting to range here. Now look at this range. Again, measure move. Almost to the tick. Okay. First entry, second entry, boom. Look how reliable this range is. It's just, that's how I make my money in the market. I rarely take any other trades. Look at this. Channel, breaking into a range, of course expecting a new high. And this is where most of the unexperienced traders will lose money, because they will say, okay, it's a double top, it's not going anywhere. No, the market just made a high here and we started to range here. Okay, immediately just draw your two legs and you will get the exact point. It's like almost to the tick. One leg, two leg. The perfect setup looks like this: one leg, range, second leg. Again, one leg, range, second leg. Okay, and even this last leg, okay, you have also two legs here, you see? First entry, second entry, only this part, okay, only this part, contains two legs also. So you have huge two legs breaking out of this big channel into a range, leg, range, leg. You have to remember this, because this will make you money. Leg, range, leg, leg, range, leg. And then you look, because you have the measure move, you can anticipate exactly the area in which you will get your setup. First entry, second entry, but the next bar is a good bar. It's engulfing one. Now, if you got unlucky, you might even be stopped out here just to see the market doing that. So just, again, that's only my style. I know Mac and other traders, they recommend to put your stop like one tick below the low. I don't like it. I put at least 3/4 of a point, sometimes even a full point. So you have like first entry, second entry, you don't like this signal bar and you are right not to take it. This one is an engulfing. You can throw a limit order here. If your stop is not one tick below this bar, you are all the way into this. Now again, where is your target? This peak, the left peak. How many points is here? You see, it's 20 points. No reason in the world to go for 3 points or this funny 1 point target. You see, leg, range, leg, your target is your left peak. The market is about to test the previous high, because that's how the market works. Channel, break, new high, at least one leg to new high. There is absolutely no reason in the world to take 3 points here. Take 10 if you don't want to go all the way up here. Okay, you can say, you know what? It's a two leg measure move. I'm going to go till this part, till the upper band of my channel. Okay, sorry, of my range. But you can easily target this area, and usually I'm targeting this area. Never 2-3 points. This is funny, guys. You need the good risk reward ratio. Okay, bye-bye.
Order filled.